Welcome to the outskirts of Longding town. What you are looking at here isn't an ancient, traditional village, but rather the expanding suburbs of the district headquarters. As the town of Longding grows, new residential areas are spilling out along these ridges. Yet, what makes this expansion so unique is how it remains perfectly framed by the untouched, wild beauty of the Patkai mountain range. Arunachal Pradesh is known as the land of the dawnlit mountains. It is the very first place in India to greet the morning sun. Here in the Longding suburbs, that morning mist lingers heavily over the new concrete homes and the ancient forests alike. Longding represents the evolving face of the region. It is a frontier town, sitting right near the international border with Myanmar. Walking through these newly developing neighborhoods, you get a unique sense of transition. Concrete and tin roofs are replacing traditional bamboo, and modern aspirations are taking root. But despite the new construction, the area remains incredibly serene. It offers a peaceful, quiet suburban life that is constantly accompanied by the soundtrack of the surrounding jungle and the crisp mountain air.
Okay, I'm feeling dizzy now. This is corn. It's corn tree. Corn.
Corn?
Yes, these. They are planting.
It's not that
planting
many.
corn. And that one is what? Actually, that is tea tree. But nobody is taking care of it. That's why they become like a tree, big one.
Ah.
It's supposed to be shorter this one.
Yeah.
This pineapple.
Pineapple? This is pineapple.
Yes.
Oh, I can see small pineapple. Hey, baby pineapple.
Oh, yeah.
And this is tea tree. Huh? This one.
Oh, yeah. It's a
Tea
tea.
tree.
See, this one they pluck this one, the soft one, right?
You need to pick up and then dry it and then make tea.
Wait, I'll show you. No, it doesn't smell like tea.
How this smells? Oh, no smell? No.
Oh, this is the one I was telling you. Very good for blood pressure, high BP. This is what we were eating yesterday. Only two
Even with the
trees in
town
jungle,
expanding,
out of nowhere.
the wilderness is always just a few steps away from these new plots. The forests bordering this neighborhood belong to the eastern Himalayas, one of the most biologically diverse regions on Earth. Thanks to the heavy monsoon rains, the tropical evergreen canopy stays lush year-round, making this suburb feel like a modern neighborhood seamlessly carved straight out of the jungle.
Now you know where to go, right? Ooh, becoming smarter. He knows the way.
Though these suburban houses are relatively new, the soil they are built on holds deep historical roots. This entire district is the traditional homeland of the Wancho people. Historically, they were a fiercely independent tribe who protected these hills from outsiders, including a famous, fierce resistance against British surveyors in the 1870s. Today, the families moving into these areas are the descendants of those proud warriors. As Longding modernizes, it is fascinating to see how the local culture adapts rather than fades. The traditional thatched community dormitories of the past are being replaced by modern schools and town halls, but the tight-knit social bonds remain unbroken. During the spring festival of Oria, these quiet suburban streets still come alive. Families step out of these contemporary houses wearing their spectacular, vibrant beadwork and traditional handloom textiles to celebrate their heritage. Arunachal Pradesh is often referred to as the botanical paradise of India, and living in a suburb like this means having a front row seat to that paradise every single day. The expansion of Longding hasn't paved over the beauty of the hills. Instead, it has created a unique mountain community where residents enjoy the comforts of a growing town while still living right on the edge of the wild.